Hello. I'm gonna try to make it epic. Yeah. So for this, you can either go with this, the speed battle. You can just do that. And can generate quicker. All balloons are faster. All balloons can be sent 2 rounds earlier in a hurry. I don't really like that. And I want something epic because I was planning to do this yesterday, but they currently I didn't, and they deleted all my epic scenes. Yeah. So I'm trying to make this one the most epic you've ever seen me do on this channel. Sometimes it can be really cool, sometimes it's not. And I'm spending 500 and I wouldn't even be able to do it without my clan, which is what's it again? The gay. I want to make it as epic as last time, which was really hard to beat. Don't even know how you're gonna beat it. But let's try. So I got random towers, and the best thing about it is, well, I'm good at doing these. Because I like to make it vary. I still want to make it epic for you guys, so I'm gonna try to be as epic as possible as I can be. Sorry if it's not the epic proportions you've ever seen, but I'm gonna do my best. Yeah. First, of course, you need loads of money and bananas. once you have loads of bananas, you can pretty much do anything. A lot of things. I thought you said there would be a little game. You're doing this to yourself, you know? Doing this to yourself. I mean, I don't actually know what I'm doing. To be honest, I usually do go with the monkey, but I guess I kind of like to do what they're doing sometimes. Okay, so we definitely need a ninja. Ninjas are cool and epic, and I think I'm here for epicness. Oh yeah, I think you should get some popcorn because this is supposed to be epic proportion. I don't know if I should say, but it's gonna be epic. Just me. Normally I would go for the balloon, but he's gonna be sending some more. So I think we should go with the best defense ever for whatever your needs. Oh, I'm seeing he has a whole trouble dealing with his balloons. But now he doesn't. I really want to get this one because I want to show you how cool these can get. Also, if he tries, even just tries, he will also fail because, you know, I have that thing. At least I'm gonna try to get it. I can stop mobs just for a little while, and a little while counts when they don't even know anything. I think. Not anything. I'm really hoping to get, yeah, I think. And it's called the mob saboteur, so let's just get what he's getting. Because, you know, the last epic one, we did what he did and it was epic. Because you can't really see that much. And the thing when you say late game, it just means that they want it to be late. So like, not technically. So if it was a normal one, I'd be sending mobs. Since it's not, I'll let it slide. For now. Done. 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 I think this is actually getting pretty cool and fun. Okay, it's time. It's time to go when nobody dares to go. But only after he goes. When nobody dares to go. Because I don't want to lose bananas. I don't want to lose bananas. And I just add, this game is actually very creative. Monkeys, bananas, dogs, chickens, tack. I really like to do the mob defense, but sometimes I just can't because, well, they're up to do something I can see it. Oh no! They're losing. They're losing. They're losing. They're not losing. It's a miracle. It's a super miracle. Like, I love to focus on the mob defense, but sometimes I just can't. No, I know this was for like 500. I know this was for like 1,000 of those. It would kind of be sad if I lost. But still, I like it when people go super duper duper. I don't know what just happened, but because might be a glitch, I guess. But anyways, hope that was epic. And if it's not, sorry. How should I end this? I'm gonna try to think of creative endings. How about this? Knock knock. Who's there? Cat. Cat who? My talking cat. Which I do not have anywhere. Okay, I'm not good at time jokes. And out. I'm still